Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Photoshop Elements lets you share your media online using various online resources. To share photos from the organizer, select a media item in the organizer window. Then click the Share drop-down button in the Shortcuts bar. The sharing choices then appear in the drop-down menu. The choices are Facebook, email, Flickr, Twitter, Vimeo, YouTube, Burn Video DVD, and PDF Slideshow. This lesson shows you how to share media to online social media sites. You can share selected photos within the organizer to one of the social media sites that appears when you click the Share drop-down button in the Shortcuts bar. To share selected images to the websites Facebook, Flickr, or Twitter, click the desired choice within the drop-down menu that appears when you click the Share button in the Shortcuts bar. Photoshop Elements optimizes your photos for sharing on those sites and then prompts you to enter your login credentials for the selected site. After entering your login credentials, follow the on-screen instructions to upload and share your media on the selected website.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.